Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to switch off voicemail on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Mark you, to switch off voicemail on your iPhone may be vary, and sometimes you have to cancel it using USSD code, and at the same time you may need to disable live voicemail on your iPhone settings. So if you want to try this using MMI code, just go ahead and dial this MMI code on your iPhone, pound pound 004 pound, and then hit the dial button. Once you dial that USSD code, this is going to help you to deactivate conditional call forwarding, which is tied to voicemail functionality. And then again, you may try to turn off or disable live voicemail on your iPhone. To do this, open settings, scroll down and click on apps, scroll down and then click on phone app. After that, scroll down, locate live voicemail. If this is enabled, go ahead and disable this, and then your iPhone voicemail will be turned off, and then you are good. So that's exactly how to switch off voicemail on iPhone. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.